Hello everyone, this is an honest review of Home Office Chair by CYKOV. This chair is so easy to put together that my teenage daughter is the one who assembled it herself. Now let me show you some features and reclinement adjustment of this chair. This chair has some effortless swivel of 360 degrees. It can recline up to 135 degrees, and if you leave it unlocked, you can even use it as a rocking chair. And also there's a height adjustment. As you can see, it's very high. That's why it can be used for tall people. And the armrest also flips up. This is very useful when you need to do some task without the need of the armrest. And this is very beneficial if you're playing instrument. The headrest can also be adjusted. You can adjust it by height and by angle. It's really up to you on how you want your head to be supported. This chair can give that support. There's also a lumbar support at the back that you can adjust by height. You can adjust it up, or you can bring it down based on how you want your back to be supported. I find the wheels of this chair to be of high quality, and as you can see, it's on carpet right now, and I'm not struggling to wheel this chair, which means that these wheels will perform a lot better on a hardwood or a much smoother surface. Now for the build quality. The seat itself is made of sponge and is covered by dust-proof, weather-resistant leather, and so as the armrest, and it's very soft and comfortable. The seat is very deep and it's very wide, so it can accommodate different sizes. The frame of this chair is made of high-quality plastic. They made it thick and strong, so it can accommodate up to 300 pounds of weight. The backrest is made of high-quality, durable mesh that is ergonomically shaped for a long period of use. You can easily reach the angle adjustment on the side, twisting it for height adjustment, pulling it if you want to adjust the recline angle. Pushing it back will lock the recline angle. If you leave it unlocked, it will function as a rocking chair. My favorite. I really like the design of this chair. It's very comfortable and durable. And with the ergonomic features and support that this chair provides, I can use this chair for a long period of hours. So if you're looking for a home office chair that is ergonomic and durable, this is the Home Office Chair by CYKOV. Thanks for watching.